Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download Visual Coding Studio on your Chromebook. So first thing you want to do is search up Visual, and it should pop up right here, Visual Studio Code, and the URL is code.visualstudio.com. You just want to click on that. And then it'll bring you to this download page right here, and all you want to do is, if you're on Google Chrome, which is what I'm using for this tutorial today, is click on the .deb right here. Just click on that and it'll bring you to this download page, and you'll see a little download pop up over here. When it's done downloading, you just want to click on show in folder right here, and it'll bring you to your files. And then all you want to do is right click, and if you guys have Linux beta installed, then which is required, you need to click on install with Linux, and then it'll pop up install app with Linux, and it'll show you the details, and you want to click install, click OK. You just close out of that, and it'll say installation complete. And now you can go to your apps. So go to here and scroll down until you find Linux apps, and then click on Visual Studio Code. Wait for it to load, and there you go. Now you guys can start coding with Visual Studio Code. I hope this tutorial helped, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.